Well, I'm very excited to be here and seeing all our people from the community aquí. Les quiero dar las sinceras gracias a todos los que vinieron esta noche para contar con los niños, porque como dijo el Bear, es un día muy especial también, no se los puede olvidar, que fue cuando nació Jesus Christ. So, estamos celebrando para dar, para recibir y el nacimiento de Jesus Christ. So, I'm very excited to see this tree light up. Are y'all excited? Okay, we're going to be singing in a few minutes. What these mics are for? No, don't. I'm joking. Well, okay. Well, I want to hear it from Palmview. Who's out there? And all surrounding areas. I mean, everybody's welcome, but we want to give a big thanks to everybody that put this together. We're talking about our city manager, our administration, our public works, and especially our vendors that are here. Everybody that is here, let's give them a round of applause. Our police officers, our fire department, everybody's involved in this one. Todos ponen un granito de arena en esto y esto es lo que se hace lo más bonito. So, les quiero dar sinceras gracias to everybody for being here, and I want to wish every single one of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
No, quería dar gracias a todos ustedes que están aquí, que haber venido para ver el arbolito, prenderlo. También quisiera darles gracias a todos los que hicieron este evento. Irma Garza, Public Work, Marcelo, hicieron todo esto para hacer este evento, ¿sí? Y también quisiera darle gracias a los vendors, todos los vendors, a los car shows, todos los que vinieron aquí a participar en este evento, la escuela, La Joya, ASD también, y también quise decirles que no en este evento, en este season, holiday season, try not to drink and drive, ¿ok? Also también no tiren balazos para arriba porque les puede caer a alguien algo, ¿okay? Pues es todo lo que tengo con ustedes. Gracias, y que la pasen bien.
It's special to see the students from La Joya ASD perform in these areas, and this is what we do. We want to highlight those students. We want to highlight those students and the parents to come and enjoy those students. If you see the high school, folklorico, mariachis, from all the 3 high schools, you see amazing talent, and those talents are born when their kids are in elementary, and they continue the same, come and participate in this event, great event. It seems like every year we kind of do this a little bit better and a little bit better. We're hoping by next year we'll see this street already built with businesses that we're coming in, and it'll be a little bit better. And this is all for the community, for you all to come and enjoy, your kids, the season, the whole community itself. Thank you so much for participating. Thank you for joining us. It's a pleasure to be part of this community. It's a pleasure to be among you all. Thank you. Palmview is the greatest town in this area, no doubt. God bless.
Hello, good evening, everybody. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. I did hear the previous commissioners and the mayor giving thanks to various people, but I also want to highlight our teachers that are so dedicated to our children, that give of their time, and they really invest into them, into their foundation. So thank you so much to the principals that don't have to be here, that are supporting their students and parents. Thank you so much. It speaks volumes of your investments in your schools. So thank you so much. Let's be thankful for our health. That is something that I can't get past this season. I feel like there's so many tragedies going on right now. Let's be thankful and reflect on the blessing of good health. That is the one thing that we cannot buy, we cannot pay for. Let's keep everybody who is not in the best conditions in our prayers. And I know y'all are wanting us to stop talking so y'all can see your children perform, so I'm gonna stop it there. But yes, do keep those in mind, keep them in your prayers is all that I ask. Have a good evening, and thank you so much for joining us.
Hey folks, first of all, I want to thank God for giving us such a beautiful evening here this evening. You know, our commissioner, it's like our mayor said, Jesus is the reason for this season. So, you know, spend time with your family, help the less fortunate, you know, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Just enjoy yourselves. I also want to thank the teachers, the educators that made this happen, the Public Works. Mike, thank you so much. This is a great city, as Commissioner Garcia mentioned earlier, and Commissioner Perez. But, you know, we're ready for another Christmas, and this is a great tradition we have here in Palmview of the lighting of the tree. This tradition has been going on for several years now, and, you know, I'm very proud to be a part of this. Thank you for allowing me to serve you as your council member. Thank you, folks. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Gonna have to do it. Okay, before I do that, do any one of you want to volunteer and do the countdown? Well, you know what? There's how many of you? Raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 9. 9 of you. How about all 9 of us do it? All right. All right. So we're gonna put the microphone right here in the middle. So y'all get in here. All of you get in here. Get in here, girl. Everybody. There you go. Big ones, tall ones, short ones. I'm gonna sound. On you right now. Looks like real snow too. Thank you. Roll it up.
A beautiful sight. We're happy tonight. Walking on the way to Wonderland. Walking on the way to Wonderland. Ho, ho, ho.
Ladies, let's go, girls.